So for context, this is the first time that I've bleached my roots with bleached ends. Never done that before. The first time, trim my ends, just started from scratch.
Is it coming out?
So bear with me because this is one of those videos where you have to trust the process, and this is like it gave. I myself, like, this isn't even this. I think this is my third time like bleaching my hair in some capacity. And I almost didn't trust the process. I was just like, what is happening here? Like getting your roots to match the ends, or like your carpets to match the drapes, or whatever the saying is, like, that's tough. And my ends are light. So yeah, but I was like, challenge accepted. We're gonna figure this out. And if I go bald, I go bald. You know, still not paying 400, 500, 600, 800. Still not gonna go back to Style C. I'm sorry, I can't. But how I got into bleaching my hair, actually, I think how this all started, actually, was I got a quote for, "Hey Bacon." He like, "I can't help you, girl." But yeah, I'm like rambling at this point. This is supposed to be like a voiceover about bleaching my roots, and I'm like rambling. But yeah, I got into bleaching my hair. This has been like a self-love, self-care journey at this point, but I got a interesting consultation, $400 plus. But before that, there was a stylist that made me schedule a Zoom consult. I had to pay $25 just for her to tell me, "Oh yeah, you don't have virgin hair." And she knew that beforehand, so it was kind of like a money grab. And this was like another Style C person. Nothing against Style C. I've had good experiences. I've had really questionable, horrible experiences. But that's how I got into kind of like just pushed over the edge. Let me just do this myself. And here we are. So yeah, at this point, here's Benita, my corgi. He's like, "Girl, I cannot help you." Like, also, I swear by that stuff, what you just saw, I can't pronounce it, so I'm not. And I know people are hating on that other product that you just saw, but I only use that version, not the rosemary version. And as you can see, I have orange too, because in my other videos, I have to bleach my hair twice. I bleach my hair once with 2 boxes.
One more round, because that's typically what I do.
And then I bleach my hair again after waiting 7 days.